Hi, my name is Hans, and I'm with Lily Ann Cabinets. Today we're doing an assembly video for our Dovetail construction wall cabinet. This one happens to be a 15 by 36 Shaker Elite. Let's get started.
Lily Ann cabinets are very easy to assemble. No special tools or skills are required. For most cabinets, all you will ever need is a rubber mallet, cordless drill, and all-purpose wood glue. All cabinets come with written instructions, which can also be downloaded from our website. We recommend preparing all the items first. The first step, like most of our cabinets when assembling, is to lay a protection layer on your workstation and place the cabinet front face down. Please make sure to be extra careful not to scratch the cabinet frame. Apply wood glue to the face frame grooves. You will want to use wood glue for as many places as you can. Then slide the sides into place. After both sides are finished, apply wood glue to the groove in the bottom and top. Then you can easily slide the bottom and top down into place. Now you will be ready to attach the back. First, glue the edges of the sides of the back panel. Then slide the back into place. Then secure with 4 long screws into the pre-drilled holes. Then locate the 4 metal brackets and attach one to each corner on the top of the cabinet with 3 screws each. Finishing touches will include the installing of the shelves. Cabinet shelf clips can be placed at any height you would like, making the shelf fully adjustable. Next, put the neoprene door bumpers on. They stick easily at each corner of the top and bottom of the door. And that concludes your assembly for the wall cabinet. This cabinet will be assembled the same way for all sizes with the Dovetail assembly.